Hello, what's up guys? My name is Nadir Habib. In this video, I will show you in just a 5 minute, in just a single line of code, I built a WhatsApp agent. That's a very complex agent I built in just a single prompt. Because the old method is you are using the N10 MCPs, N10 skills, but that is be the new feature officially N10. So let's get started at video. So first, I send him hello and now they read that message and reply me. If I not response in just a 5 minute, that a user like that is with the user not send me message or any query like about in just a 5 minute, that then what happened there, then I send a fallback message response with through AI. How can I help you? Like you see that is with the fallback message if every 5 minutes, if not respond everyone. So because I am a person, like I send him message, hey, my name is Nade. So the agent read that my name is Marcy. How can I assist you today? I not send him message. How can I assist you today? Just a normal talk. In if every 5 minutes in just a one message they send me look like, hey DGG agency, just checking, did you still need a help with that? So that is very cool feature. That's a complex workflow building. So that complex workflow I built in just a single prompt. So first, the new feature is the N10 AI assistant. What it did, in the night, I sent him a prompt like I want to make Evolution API chatbot. If you don't know what is the Evolution API is a third party method. You just need to connect your WhatsApp number to Evolution API and automate your WhatsApp. Evolution API chatbot that follow up response if user not reply in 5 minutes. Also send a text message, voice message, mail message, document message, read and answer reply to user. Also need agent long term memory. Last 10 memory chat history. User use a data table to chat stores and follow up store message to get follow back response. Maybe also make advanced workflow fast build, and any questions you can tell me easily. So I just tell him that, and what happened, and if at 5 minutes they make a plan of my complex workflow. What he did, I just asked him, hey, proceed that plane. So that are building that, verifying the workflow, building Evolution API multi-dimensional artifact. What is the artifact? The artifact is your workflows. So that is be the API 5 minute fallback workflow, and you see that API 5 workflow and Evolution API WhatsApp chatbot workflow, that two builds and chat state. The chat state is your simply data tables like chat state and chat history. Artifacts is building any kind of in N10 like workflows, yeah, data tables, yeah, any kind of credentials they build up. So the artifact is show you. In the plan, ask him the four verify workflow 5 minutes and verifying the workflow Evolution API setup. The first done, the second is be done, the third is be done, and fourth is be done. But now they get the error. I don't know what happened in, because that version is be the beta, and it can normally update also day to day. So that is look like cloud code. If you are using N10 MCP, yeah, integrate the N10 skills. But the N10 AI system is the more complex. They're testing, rebugging, and fixing out, and the final workflow they give you the results, not a copy pasting workflow they give you. He gives the result and working your workflow also. So verify the workflow, and they tested out everything that inserting rows like my chat data tables, verify the workflow. The workflow is working, and now I ask him to continue, and let me follow to verify and everything they set up. And so you see that also you can try that. That is very good. So now is both workflow is end to end. Let me clean up, but just So he built the two workflows like Evolution API WhatsApp chatbot and Evolution API 5-minute follow-up message. If user not responds me after the 5 minutes, they send a follow-up message. You see them. I ask him, my name is Nadir, but I am not response. You see that after the 1 to 2 minutes, they send me a follow back message also. And the Evolution API, I tested out they what he did. They also analyze the image with through the Gemini API, and they also download the audio files, convert into the binary file, and after that they analyze the audio, and that audio, the text format, they send to the AI agent. AI agent analyze that and send the WhatsApp message, and after that their message is stored in the data table. What's the new message? So you see that is with the chat memory, the 10th the long-term memory, but I asked him I need a long-term memory, but I not explained that long-term memory is a super base. If you use a super base, that is very good for the long-term memory, but that is considered as like a short-term memory also. They download a video and analyze the video, and they send to the AI agent, and AI agent analyze the video and send the text reply. Similar as the document, similar is the text message also. You see that message is come. I not send him the after the 5 minute any message. So it is easy agency just checking, did you still need any help? You understand that workflow. The second workflow, every minutes, yeah, every 5 minute also I customize. They check my database, and if the 5 minute idle, they send a follow-up message. If that not idle, they send a get error. And also they update in my data table the follow-up response. You see that the chat state now they send me a follow-up message, ETGG agency, and now they check my. So that is a complex workflow. That if that complex workflow I told the N10 MCP and N10 skill, 100% sure I not need get a final output. But the N10 AI assistant new AI feature, that's a very good. You can also use that. You can also use for your client. You can also, so let's check that out. You can also see that. Now I guide some use case. So the old method is you need to integrate N10 MCP, N10 skills, and Word. The new method is the N10 AI assistant new feature. You just tell him here your idea, your thought idea, what you need, what your client want, and you just proceed them. But that is one new that is with the billing also. If I get that 800 credit for the free account, but I built the complex workflow, so 400 credit left now. So you can also get more credit, but that charge you N10. That also N10 officially video is saying in the future you also add your API key like Cloud 5.6 or yeah Cloud Fable 5. You can also integrate with that feature in the open source N10. So also locally you can run that AI assistant feature. That is the very key advantage for everybody. So now the N10 MCP and N10 skill is dead. So what AI assistant analyze, they searching the nodes, they get the details, they adding nodes, connecting node. If they also request that, hey, I provide me your API keys. Also you provide your API keys and they work it and finalize the workflow. The artifact I also guided you. This fifth one, that agent is building, AI assistant is building your workflow. They also show the workflow is working or not working, monitor to building and credential setup and XYZ. So in this video is that if you love that video, yeah, if you need new videos like more about the AI assistant and more AI updates, subscribe the YouTube channel and like and comment down below.